A restaurant owner says the Florida Division of Workers' Compensation forced them to close their doors. As a result, they had to lay off workers this week before Christmas. Fox 10 News reporter Joe Salvador shows us the impact it's having.
Leslie Barnhill has just one Christmas wish this year: send her an investor to save her restaurant.
That's how we make a living, and I care about my employees and I care about my customers, and I really feel like they depend on us and I want to be there for them.
Leslie and her husband Steve Barnhill own 2 restaurants in Escambia County. They say officials from the State Workers' Compensation Office showed up in late November and told them they did not have the proper workers' comp coverage and ordered them to close both businesses. The Barnhills secured the coverage they needed the following day, but were told by officials that state law required them to close while a penalty was calculated. That process lasted 4 days. It could have been longer.
I just kept hoping for a miracle,
The Barnhills say during the closure they lost nearly $40,000 in business, racked up a $20,000 power bill, and were denied a bank loan.
Well, it's extremely stressful. It's almost unbearable at times, and it just really breaks my heart that it's had to come to this.
Now 48 employees are out of work.
Well, now I can't pay my phone bill, I can't pay my child support. My son's birthday is January 6th, my other daughter's birthday is January 17th. We already weren't going to have much of a Christmas.
Several employees tell Fox 10 News they are hoping for a miracle and want Barnhills to reopen. Santa, are you listening? In Pensacola, Joe Salvatore, Fox 10 News.
We tried contacting the Florida Division of Workers' Compensation, but we were not successful today.